Finding the right patio heater can be frustrating. When the temperatures drop, you need something reliable, something that keeps you warm without the hassle. After diving into customer reviews and product specs, we've narrowed it down to 5 top patio heaters. Want the best deal? Check the links below. Now let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Dyna-Glo Premium Patio Heater, a true outdoor heating powerhouse. With an impressive 48,000 BTUs of warmth, this heater ensures your patio stays cozy, no matter how chilly the evening gets. And thanks to its electronic ignition system, starting it up is effortless. No more struggling with matches or lighters. But let's talk style. The hammered bronze finish isn't just for looks. It blends seamlessly with any outdoor setup, adding an upscale touch to your patio or deck. Plus, the built-in wheel assembly makes it easy to reposition, so you can direct the heat exactly where it's needed. Safety is a priority, and Dyna-Glo delivers. The anti-tilt shutoff feature automatically turns off the unit if it gets knocked over, giving you peace of mind during gatherings. And with adjustable heat settings, you're in control. Whether you need a light warmth for a crisp fall evening or full heat for freezing temperatures. Many appreciate its sturdy construction and powerful heat output, making it a favorite for outdoor spaces. Plus, its sleek look pairs well with patio furniture. And assembly, not overly complicated, which is always a plus. A few things to consider. The ignition system can be a bit finicky on windy days, so be prepared for an extra attempt or two to light it up. Heating larger areas takes some time, so if you have an extra spacious patio, you may need more than one unit. Some users also report that the control knob feels a little flimsy, and if you're using a 20-pound propane tank, installing it can require a bit of maneuvering. Next up at number 4, we have the FireSense All Seasons Patio Heater, built to keep you warm no matter the season. With an impressive 46,000 BTUs of heat output, this model ensures your outdoor space stays toasty even during those chilly nights. Thanks to its heavy-duty powder-coated steel construction, you can count on it for durability, season after season. But what makes this patio heater truly stand out? The platinum finish gives it an elegant, upscale look that blends seamlessly with any outdoor decor. The chrome-plated head and stainless steel burner not only look great, but also provide efficient heat distribution, making sure the warmth reaches every corner of your outdoor area. And when it comes to safety, the auto shutoff valve kicks in if the heater is ever tilted or lifted, giving you peace of mind. What do customers love about it? Many rave about how easy it is to operate and how effectively it heats large spaces. Plus, with a 10-hour runtime on a standard propane tank, you won't have to worry about constantly refueling during longer gatherings. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Rusting can be an issue over time, especially in humid areas, so regular maintenance is recommended. The assembly instructions could be clearer, and some users have reported inconsistent quality with a few parts. For those with windy conditions, it's a good idea to add weight to the base for extra stability. Also, the wheel assembly could be sturdier, so if you plan on moving it often, keep that in mind. Taking the third spot is the Cuisinart Perfect Position Propane Patio Heater, a product that truly stands out from the crowd. What makes it so special? Its swivel design lets you direct a solid 38,200 BTUs of heat exactly where you need it, keeping your outdoor space warm and comfortable. And that built-in stainless steel table? It's the perfect spot for your drinks, snacks, or even your phone during gatherings. Talk about functionality and convenience. What really makes this model shine? The enclosed base keeps the propane tank hidden but still easily accessible, and the extra-large 33-inch heat shield with a cone-shaped burner efficiently directs the heat downward and outward, ensuring you feel the warmth exactly where you want it. Despite its size, the built-in wheels make it easy to reposition, so you can move it around effortlessly. Customer feedback highlights the directional heating. It's targeted and efficient, much better than standard heaters. And the table feature? Well, it's a big win for adding functionality without using up precious patio space. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The weight is a plus for stability, but it can make the heater a bit tricky to move, even with the wheels. Assembly can take a little longer than expected, and the instructions could use some improvement. Over time, the swivel mechanism may need maintenance, And while the heat output is great for focused areas, it might not be enough for larger gatherings on colder nights. Have you tried this heater? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And stay tuned. Our top 2 picks are coming up next. Coming in at number 2 is the Hiland AZ Pyramid Glass Heater. Not just a heat source, but a statement piece that will elevate your outdoor space. This 40,000 BTU propane heater not only keeps you warm, but also creates a mesmerizing flame display through its quartz glass tube. Perfect for setting the mood and adding a touch of ambiance to your patio, deck, or backyard. The sleek stainless steel finish and modern pyramid shape make it a stylish and elegant addition to any outdoor setting. While the auto tilt shutoff feature provides peace of mind by automatically turning off the heater if it's tipped over. The built-in wheels also make repositioning it easy, so you can move it around to suit your space. What users love? The visual appeal is a standout. This isn't just a heater, it's an eye-catching centerpiece that draws people in and creates a warm, cozy atmosphere for intimate gatherings. The heater provides just the right amount of warmth, making it perfect for those chilly nights when you want to keep the vibe relaxed. A few things to keep in mind. The glass tube needs regular cleaning to keep its shine, and some users report issues with screw alignment during assembly. Unlike traditional dome-style heaters, the heat output is more focused, which may not cover larger areas as evenly. Also, if you're in a windy location, the strong gusts can affect its performance, even with the safety shutoff feature. Taking the top spot, the Amazon Basics Outdoor Propane Patio Heater delivers the perfect mix of power, affordability, and reliability. With 46,000 BTUs of heating power, it provides consistent warmth within a 9-foot radius, ideal for those chilly outdoor nights when you want to stay cozy without breaking the bank. Getting it started is effortless thanks to the one-touch ignition, while the adjustable temperature knob lets you fine-tune the heat to match your comfort level. The Havana Bronze powder-coated finish is as stylish as it is durable, designed to last and look great while doing it. And when it comes to safety, you're covered with an auto shut-off tilt valve and a water box for added stability, giving you peace of mind while you relax. Why do users love it? It punches above its weight, delivering professional-grade heating at an amazing price point. The wheel kit makes repositioning a breeze, and the tank securing chain adds extra practicality. Plus, that deep bronze finish adds a touch of elegance, making it the perfect fit for any patio. A few things to consider. The assembly instructions could be a bit clearer, and some users have reported missing hardware. The height might be a bit much for covered patios, and for the best stability, you'll want to add water or sand to the base. Also, windy conditions can impact the heat distribution, making it feel a bit uneven at times. Which patio heater works best for you? Drop a comment below. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement reviews. Check the description for the best prices and deals. Thanks for watching.